At the beginning, the SMF was set up as a place for discussing on mathematics and assessing the most recent results in mathematics. Today, there are more and more conferences and seminars, and the SMF has become like a forum for discussion and critical thinking on issues related to the development of mathematics. One may cite, for instance, questions concerning teaching or public awareness issues. In close cooperation with other learned societies in France, so the SMAI, the Applied Math Societies, and the SFDS, the Statistics Societies, the SMF occupies a central place between the French mathematical community and the Ministry of Higher Education and Research. Its president is thus in contact with the ministry on several subjects: mathematics programs in primary and secondary school, and also structuring of higher education and research. The SMF works also in close cooperation with the Institute of Mathematics in France, called INSME, which depends on the CNRS, the National Scientific Center for Research. The main role of INSME is to improve the network structure of mathematics throughout the country. The CIRM is a famous international center for conferences in mathematics in Marseille. It is visited by about 3,500 mathematical researchers from all over the world each year. The SMF and CNRS jointly supervise the CIRM. There are thus many contacts between the president of the SMF and the CIRM team, in particular its director, Patrick Foulon. I must say also that the SMF is a non-profit publishing house with a diffusion building in the same grounds as CIRM, just behind the library. So if you visit CIRM, don't forget to take a look inside this building. You will find there all journals and series of the SMF. So this year in Seoul, more than 40 French mathematicians are present and are invited as speakers in various sessions of ICM conference. I must say that nearly all topics are represented in the French delegation. There are, of course, topics with the old history, like algebraic geometry, analysis, PDE, and so on, but also more recently developed ones like probability theory, statistics, control theory, theory of information, and so on. So, this variety helps the French community to create synergies between different domains of mathematics, and also unexpected connections with other scientific disciplines like physics, like biology, and the talk by Benoît Bertham from Paris is a typical example of this openness to interactions. I would like also to stress that the boundaries between the different domains are moving. They are moving slowly, but they are moving, and even at the ICM conference, where we have seen some evolutions in the last decades. For instance, despite France is the country of Pascal and Descartes, probability theory was not so well recognized at the beginning of the 60s in France, neither throughout the world, perhaps except in Russia. Now, it is a well-respected domain of mathematics, which quite recent Fields medals, Werner or Kunkov in 2006, and also Smirnov in 2010 in statistical mechanics, which is a domain close to probability theory. This is a domain which has deep theoretical developments and also many connections, many applications in other topics, physics, biology, and more recently developing technologies. In the last decade, several French mathematicians have spent their time spreading mathematical knowledge to a large public. Etienne Gis, who is also a well-known researcher in dynamical systems, is invited in Seoul to present his actions regarding dissemination, popularization of mathematics toward a large public, especially young people from various social backgrounds. In France, there is also what we call sometimes Villani phenomenon. Cédric Villani is invited in various media and quite often, television, radio, newspapers. And he is even the lead of a recent film, How I Came to Hate Math, by Olivier Payon, which is quite successful in France. So in France, there are also several structures which works to develop the appetite of the population for mathematics. And SMF is part of this trend and proposes every year several conferences and meetings to talk about issues. SMF also, every 2 years, gives out 2 awards, D'Alembert Prize, which is intended to promote dissemination of mathematics, and Anatole de Serve one, which rewards education and extensions.